Clap for yourselves. My mom also, an ACK, she used to come to this ACK here from Thika town, and then she moved from here, she went to Kiairegi ACK, Good Samaritan. So I have a background with ACK, and I really love what you do. And what I am very excited about, His Excellency has said that every time the leadership is put in place, they have to deliver for them to be given another term. Imagine the church has performed for the last 50 years, and today we have come to mark you present, matured, and excellent work even today. Can we clap for the church? And I'm very proud to be associated with you because I was born here. I was brought up in Kiandutu across there. And I'm very proud to be a person who comes from Muranga and also reared in Thika. So Kiambu and Muranga, they bear quite a mark on me. And therefore, as I stand here, I just want to once again congratulate you for the good work you are doing. The parents, continue to take care of your children, parent them properly, and make sure that the people, the barons, drug barons who are working on our children, I hear even these days they have devised some ways of lining whatever biscuits and even juices of our children with drugs. So you must take care of your children. As you have seen, I've been the boy child champion, and I'm not afraid to say I am going to fight this battle to make sure our children continue to be sober and they will grow to be what God brought them to be, and their destinies not to be messed up. Together with the church, I am asking we continue to open our churches to these boy children who are out there, and we see how we can change their life and validate their dreams. And I know we are going to do that. The young men who are here, are you here? Do we have young men? Do we have boys? Mama boys ako mtaa, na mama boys anasema musiende karibu na pombe. Anasema nini? Na mukiona yule anauza, munamwambia mzazi na munamwambia mwalimu na mwambie polisi. Si nyinyi munawajuanga, munaona? Mukiona mtu akiuza hizo bangi na nini, museme haraka kabisa, si ndio? Mukimwambia mom, mumwambie dad, I know things are going to change, and I love you. God bless you and God honor you. Thank you so much.